What is going on YouTube? Steven the Salon Guy here, and today I'm going to be doing the haircut tutorial of Sam Hurley. He's big on TikTok. Here is his Instagram page, and special news about him, he just dropped a single from a Christmas album today, and I gotta tell you, man, this dude can sing. Check it out. There it is, man. Yeah, he could sing. So it's called It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year, featuring Sam Hurley, and it's from the Jam Jr. Christmas album, which is also launching soon, but this single, this track is available now. So also special shout out to Hurley, who's been super awesome and supportive, and Griffin Johnson. A lot of these TikTok dudes have been really cool with helping share my content and stuff. So now the interesting thing about Sam is that he has, kind of a wavy / curly texture hair, and he has a little bit of, length to it. So I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on a straight mannequin, but I'm gonna try to style it as close as I can to his. So follow along and we'll break it down at the end.
Trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. True in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffinin'. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Bim Papa, word the G, baby. Look, labs till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave. And I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it. Know this isn't what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade. And I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need to. I keep it in the fam to let you know that I don't need you. Y'all cats be see-through, heading out to peace. You been king, I'm regal, got it in my Abisu. Came through trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. True in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love.
Okay guys, I'm gonna break down the haircut. So what I did is I established the length in the back here. And once I established the length, I then brought this angle up in through here to create kind of technically a face frame. Because what you're doing is you're outlining the face, and it's really essential to the haircut. Then after I established the base, and then sort of my layering in through here, again, because this hair is a bit on the wavier side, I wanted to create some layers to duplicate that curl. So if you do have, heavier hair, it's one length, not doing anything, cutting layers in the back is the best thing. And then I continued to blend the back into the top, and then I created my shape holding layers straight out, bringing everything straight out from the head basically. Went in, added a little bit of texturizing to it, and then what I did is and this is key to styling hair like this type, is you want to put some sort of cream, like a blow-dry cream or something, in the hair while it's wet. And because this mannequin had perfectly straight hair, what I did is I started twisting sections into little twists and then using a diffuser to kind of just lock that into place. So the front, he has some length to his hair, so it goes down to about here. And even if you look at his videos and pictures, you'll see his hair is a bit on the longer side, but because it's curlier and a bit messier, that is what makes it look a little bit shorter and kind of camouflages it. And then I just didn't use a lot of my hands when I was drying it because I wanted to kind of lock in some sort of shape and texture in through here. And basically then work it with your fingers, and here we have the finished result. Clearly, if I was cutting his hair in person, it would look a little bit different and the texture would be a bit different, but I tried to duplicate it as best as I could hopefully you get to see the Sam and everyone else on TikTok and YouTube and Instagram and wherever on the internet. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.